Good morning, gang. Welcome back to What Doin'. We're back in the kitchen today. We're gonna make some barbecue sauce. Now this recipe came from way back in the day when I was at Glebe Fire Department working over in Yakima. Treetop sponsored a firefighter barbecue contest, and this is the one that we entered. Take a look at the video that we submitted to Treetop, and I'll come back and we'll finish out the recipe. All I'm gonna do for now is start with a cup of Treetop apple juice in the pan, turn the heat on, let it reduce down to half, and then we'll start building the rest of this. We'll see you in a minute. Hi, I'm Aaron Hayes of the Glebe Fire Department. Welcome to the beautiful Yakima Valley, where we're known for growing things like hops, grapes, cherries, and yeah, you guessed it, apples. We're neighbors with Treetop, but you know, you don't have to be right down the street to understand what Treetop stands for. They're all about healthy apple products for communities across the country. As a fire department, we share their commitment to the needs of our community, where we respond to those needs all the time. Let me introduce you to some of the community and some of our fire department.
Hi, I'm Jim Cole, third generation grower here in the Yakima Valley. And what better way to promote our products worldwide than to partnership with Treetop Incorporated. When I change hats, I become chief of the Glebe Volunteer Fire Department. When our crews aren't out busy running fire and rescue missions, they're back at the station developing some of the best barbecue sauces in the land. And what better way to enhance the flavor? They use Treetop products. Here, follow me. One of the things we appreciate about Treetop is holding a contest like this. It's an opportunity to help our community even more.
Like all fire departments, we're out in the community quite a bit. We see a lot of the needs that we can meet. Things like aid calls. We respond to a lot of car crashes. We also respond to the fires. Got it? And yes, even the occasional cat rescue out of the tree. I got a cat! No actual cats were harmed in filming this video.
But with all this, there are some needs that we can't meet. Come with me. Hi, I'm Lieutenant Garcia with the Glebe Fire Department, and I'm here at the Pegasus Project Therapeutic Writing Center with Janie Clash.
Since being founded in 2003, we've relied on the generous support from the Yakima community through fundraising, donations, and grants. We're voting for the Glebe Fire Department for the special sauce, and hope you will too.
So let's help Janie and the Pegasus Project by getting your vote and voting for the Glebe Fire Department as America's best firehouse barbecue sauce.
Thank you, Treetop!
One more project I'd like for you to see.
This is our community park. As you can see, there's not a whole lot here. It's another one of the projects that we'd like to give a little bit of help to.
Yeah, there is. There's a tire. We play with tires. Isn't that fun?
That's nice. That's
Oh.
As you can see, this place needs some help. Let's go back to the station. One of the great things about this contest has been the different barbecue sauces we've been able to come up with. Because apple juice is so versatile, you can use it with just about everything. We've had everything from lime to horseradish mixed in with the sauce. Our favorite is a tomato base with the apple juice mixed in and some cumin and dark beer. Sounds weird, but it's really great. And one of the things that we like about it is it goes great on everything.
I like it on steak.
I like it on chicken.
I like it on ribs.
I like it on seafood.
I like it on corn.
I like it on ice cream.
What?
Anyway, thanks for the opportunity to do this Treetop. We hope you enjoyed this, but more importantly, we hope you vote for us. Thanks.
Hey, Aaron, do you think they noticed the apple?
Hey, we're back. A lot of good times at Glebe Fire. If you're not familiar with Glebe, it's between Yakima and Sela. One of the guys from over there, hey Blake, how you doing? Called me the other day. They're on their way to Maui and got me thinking about the barbecue sauce and the good days from back there. So what we've got, a cup of the apple juice. It's reduced down to a half, maybe a little bit less than half. To that, we're going to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, give it that little bit of acidity that it needs. And all of this stuff, you can kind of adjust to your taste and your liking. We're not dead set on exact amounts here. In fact, we usually don't even measure. We just kind of pour and eyeball it. We're gonna go with 3/4 to a cup of ketchup into here. Dark beer, again, the darker you can get, the better. This is Black Butte Porter. It's a good beer to cook with. It's a good beer to drink on a winter afternoon. We're gonna go with a cup of this because dry January is over. We can finish that while we're doing the rest of this. Work sauce, Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna go with 2 tablespoons of that. We're gonna go a tablespoon of minced garlic or crushed garlic, whatever you have to throw in there. Cayenne is gonna be 1/4 teaspoon. I don't like it real hot, but if you wanna go a little hotter, just add a little bit more. If people say it's too hot for them, take out a little bit and just add a little bit less when you're doing this. Cumin, this is what really makes this stuff good. We're gonna throw some cumin in there, about 2 tablespoons, and then we're gonna put the heat back on this and just let it go. And we're gonna let this reduce down for a couple of hours. At the very end, depending on how thick it is, we may have to add a little bit of cornstarch and water just to thicken it up. And there's one more trick at the end of this. So we'll let this reduce down and we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, gang, we're just about done with this. It's been on the stove. It's been just simmering away. The house smells amazing. This is a really good smell to put into the house. So all we have left to do is get it out of there into here. Like they said on the video, this stuff goes good on just about everything. I haven't found anything yet that I didn't like it on. Out of the pan, in the funnel. That is just a bottle of goodness there. How do you know when it's done? I should have done this first. Take a spoon, get it in there. It should coat the back of the spoon, and when you wipe it, it should stay up like that. If it's not that thick, put a little bit of cornstarch and water, make the slurry, put it in there, and let it go. Oh yeah. Next thing to do is cook something to put this on. So we'll be right back with that. All right, gang. We got the barbecue sauce done. We had to figure out, okay, what are we gonna put them on? So we're gonna do some quesadillas. A little chicken, little black bean, a little corn, and some cheese. So we got the Blackstone cranked up, and away we go. I just throw these guys down on here. We'll do 4. So we throw these guys down, and I'll show you a trick to this that we learned when we were in Moab, Utah. We went to a place, a little food truck called Quesadilla Mobilla, and we watched how they did everything. And first off, they opened the cheese correctly.
Damn cheese bags. Can't open them worth of shit.
Okay, so once the tortillas go down, we're gonna throw a little cheese on each tortilla. So I came out this morning, grilled up a couple of chicken breasts, and then just cubed it up. So we're gonna put a little chicken on each one. Oh, it's already smelling good. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of roasted corn in there. How about a little black bean? We'll put a little black bean. Ooh, can you smell that, T?
I'm telling you, I wish that YouTube had smell-o-vision.
A little bit of red onion just for some crunch and a little kick to it.
Red onion's my favorite. But folks, it's the Aaron barbecue sauce. Nothing like it. Award-winning.
And then here's the trick. Quesadillas have a habit of just falling all apart. So what I learned down in Moab, a little bit more cheese on the top. And that is going to hold our other shells together. See if I can do this, T.
Woo!
Oh, look at that.
There you go. This right here, this is the magic. That's the famous Aaron barbecue sauce.
So another good successful lunch. The barbecue sauce, that stuff is just great. I'll put it's going to be over here. I'll put the recipe up there, and I'm going to do a little added bonus here. So we did 3 different barbecue sauces when we made this up. This was the one that we submitted. I'm going to put the other one up that uses a Zinfandel wine, and another one that uses Corona beer and some lime and some horseradish. They're all 3 super good. Give them a try, cook them up, see what you think. Let me know, and we'll be making the next one soon. What'd you think, T?
This barbecue sauce was the best. Absolutely the best.
Good stuff. We'll see you next time. You never know what doing.